Easy homemade beef and vegetable fried rice recipe for beginners, affordable and delicious. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe for all you beginners out there, homemade beef and vegetable fried rice. It's not only delicious but also super affordable. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's go through the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked rice, preferably day-old for better texture. 200 grams, 7 ounces, of thinly sliced beef. 1 cup of mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, and diced bell peppers work well. 3 eggs, beaten. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil for cooking. Salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get into the preparation. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and cook the sliced beef until browned. Season with salt and pepper. Once done, set it aside. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil. Add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry until they're slightly tender. Push the vegetables to the side and pour the beaten eggs into the empty space. Scramble the eggs until fully cooked. Combine the cooked beef with the vegetables and eggs in the pan. Add the cooked rice, breaking up any clumps, and stir everything together. Pour in the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well until the rice is evenly coated and everything is heated through. Here are a few tips to make your fried rice perfect. Use day-old rice for better texture. Make sure your pan or wok is hot before adding ingredients to get that delicious smoky flavor. Customize the veggies based on what you have in your fridge. Feel free to add green onions or cilantro for extra freshness. And there you have it, our homemade beef and vegetable fried rice. It's quick, easy, and affordable, perfect for a satisfying meal. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Be sure to give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! You all can view some awesome cooking videos in my channel playlist. Thank you very much beef and vegetable fried rice lovers.